Top 5 Pakistani food recipes. Nihari recipe. Ingredients: shanks meat, 1 kg, large pieces, bones and marrow bones, 1 kg, ground garlic, 2 tablespoons, salt, as per taste, onions, 2 medium, chopped, black peppercorns, 10 to 12, red pepper powder, 2 tablespoons, coriander powder, 2 tablespoons, white cumin, 1 tablespoon, fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon, cardamom seeds, 1 teaspoon, dried ginger, 1 teaspoon, pitli, 1 teaspoon, yogurt, 1 cup, flour, 1/2 cup, lemon, 1, oil, 1 cup. For garnishing: thin sliced ginger, this sliced green chilies, chopped green coriander, diced lemon. Method: grind fennel seeds, cardamom seeds, dried ginger and pitli and place aside. Add salt, black peppercorns, red pepper, coriander powder, cumin and recently ground spice to yogurt. Pour oil in a pan and fry for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Then add onions and fry until golden brown. Add garlic to fried onions and fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Add flour and roast unless it releases aroma. Now put spices into pan, which you mixed lately with yogurt. Roast until oil comes up. Now add meat and cook well, and also add bones and marrow bones. Then add 3-liter water and cook on medium heat 3 to 4 hours until meat is tenderized. When meat is fully tender and nihari is thick, add lemon juice and cook on low heat for 5 minutes. When oil comes up, nihari is ready. Serve with ginger, green chilies, coriander, lemon and naans. Chicken curry recipe. Ingredients: onions 2 medium size, tomatoes 2, garlic paste 1 tablespoon, ginger paste 1 tablespoon, green chilies 6, salt 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, dried fenugreek leaves 2 tablespoons, yogurt cup, oil cup. Method: heat the oil and add onions and fry them until it gets soft. Add ginger and garlic paste. Mix it well. Now add chicken in it and fry it. Add all the spices and mix well. Now add green chilies and tomatoes, fry them, and then cover it up for 5-8 minutes on low flame. When oil comes up, add yogurt, dried fenugreek leaves and julienne cut ginger. Cover it for 2 minutes and then serve it with naan. Chicken biryani recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups basmati rice, 4 kilograms chicken pieces, onion 3 large, sliced, 1 cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1/2 tsp garlic paste, 1 teaspoon green chili paste, 1/2 cup tomato puree, 2 tsp red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, roasted, 1/2 tsp cardamom powder, 2 teaspoons garam masala powder, 1/2 cup milk, a pinch saffron, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, green coriander leaves 2 tbsp, chopped, water 3.5 cups, 7 tbsp oil, salt as required. Method: make a mixture with tomato yogurt, puree, green chili paste, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, roasted cumin powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder and salt. Take the chicken and marinate it in the same mixture. Let it rest for 3-4 hours. Put oil in a pan. Heat it and fry onions till they turn golden brown. Now, to this add the marinated chicken and cook the entire mixture for 10 minutes. After that, in a pressure cooker, take the rice and add 3.5 cups of water to it. Also, take the saffron, mix with the milk and add to the rice. Lastly, add the cardamom powder and the chicken pieces, along with the marinade. Mix all the ingredients gently, cover with the cooker lid and pressure cook for 1 whistle. Your chicken biryani is ready. Shami Kabab recipe. Ingredients: chicken, beef 1 kg, large pieces, preferably boneless, water 3 cups, Bengal gram lentil, dal chana 2 cups, washed and soaked, onion 1 large, sliced, garlic 1 pod, salt to taste, red chili powder 2 teaspoons, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, green chilies 8, finely chopped, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, eggs 2, beaten, oil for frying. Method: add chicken, dal chana, onion, garlic, salt, red chili powder, and water in the cooking pan. Cover and cook for 5 minutes, then slow the flame. Cook until chicken and dal chana gets soft and slightly water remains. Now add coriander powder and cumin powder. The mixture should just about to dry. Add garam masala and chopped green chilies. Remove from heat. Grind in a food processor. Make flat kebab. Add just enough oil to the frying pan to cover the surface. Dip the kebabs in the beaten egg and fry. Place 3 to 4 kebabs at a time, and fry on medium-low heat until brown and crisp from both sides. Serve with tomato ketchup. Rice kheer, rice pudding recipe. Ingredients: rice, 1/3 cup, milk, 1.5 liter, sugar, as per taste, ground cardamom, 3 pcs, crushed coconut, couple of pinches. Method: wash broken rice and soak for 2 to 3 hours. Rub rice with your palms in a grinding motion to make rice softer and broken bit more. Tenderize rice in same water, remove from stove and add milk. Stir and cook. Add sugar when it gets thick. Add cardamom. Add coconut. Remove from heat as sugar water is dried. Refrigerate and serve chilled.